Good morning, my dear children. In the last class, I taught you lesson number 3, the sky is falling. That is the grammar. We have gone through that. Read and understand, page number 30, read and understand. Then page number 31, match the animals with the sounds they make, that I have taught you. The next page number 32, give a name for each group of birds, use words from the box, that also I have taken you. The next is a spell it right. Look at the pictures, fill in the missing letters to make words, that also I taught you in the last class. Today I am going to take the class, that is the same lesson, that is page number 33, no grammar. Page number 33, no grammar. That is a G. Color the words in the boxes in different colors. Find the opposites of the words in each word search. Circle them with the same color. That if you want, you can do that. You can fast. That is the first one. It is painted there in the green crayons. It is all in the textbook. It is already done it for you. That is a fast. So you should have to search from that word search. What's the opposite of fast? So opposite of fast is slow. That is already you have put the circle, that is done in the textbook. That is the opposite of fast is slow. Next one you can draw that in that green crayons. You can round it the fast, slow. Next is far. Far opposite near. Far opposite near. Next is wrong. Wrong opposite right. Next, beautiful, ugly. Strong, weak. Loose, tight. Thick, thin. Finish, start. I have wrote it on the board. We can go through that one more time. That is no grammar. Fast opposite slow. Far opposite near. Wrong opposite right. Beautiful, ugly. Strong, weak. Loose, tight. Thick, thin. Finish, start. Okay. Next I am going to take the H. That is which is the most suitable word for each picture. Choose words from the box. So you in the textbook you are given the box words there. So all of you look inside that. That is in the first picture. You are given a tall tree there. So one tree's picture is there. So dash tree, it is written there. So what you should have to do is you should have to choose the right answer from the box. That is dash tree. So what is the right answer? You can see a long tall tree is there. So you can write it as a tall tree. First one, tall tree. Second one, that coconut is there. So you my dear children, you should have to look that box there. So what is the shape of that coconut? So what is that shape? Round. So round coconut. Third one, the picture of the banana there. So what is that color of the banana? Yellow banana. What is it? Yellow banana. Fourth one, dash flowers. So you can see that bunch of flowers there. So you should have to choose the right answer from the box. So what is the right answer? Pretty flowers. Fifth one, ant picture is there. So you can write it there. Tiny ant. Fifth one, tiny ant. Next, sixth one, dash bread. So that shape of the bread is a square shape. So what is a square bread? Next is page number 34. Listen and speak. What is it? Listen and speak. Your teacher will read out some sentences. Think and say whether they are true or false. So I am going to read the sentences that is inside here in the back page of your textbook. That is in the page number 36. In the page number 36. The sky is falling. Read the sentences slowly. Wait for the children to reason and respond. So I am going to read it. That is in the textbook. Think and say whether true or false. So what you should have to think and say, only to say that. So I am going to read it. A rabbit eats carrots. I eat carrots. So rabbit eat carrots, that is true. You also eat carrots, no? Yeah, I eat carrots. So whether it is true or false? True. Yeah. Next is all rabbits have tails. Fluffy is a rabbit. What is all rabbits have tails. Fluffy is a rabbit. Therefore, Fluffy has a tail. So what is it? Whether it is true or false? All rabbit has a tails. Yeah, you know that. Fluffy is a rabbit. So it is a blue. That is they are having fluffy. Fluffy means നല്ല രോമം ഇങ്ങനെ നല്ല പഫായിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ വളരുന്നുണ്ടാവും റാബിറ്റിന്. അപ്പോൾ നല്ല കാണാൻ നല്ല ക്യൂട്ടല്ലേ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വാട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് സേയിങ്. Fluffy is a rabbit. Therefore, Fluffy has a tail. So that is you know that a rabbit is a very cute looking animal, and it is having a fluffy. It is a fluffy tail, and also its body is also very smooth and very nice. No, when we look at the rabbit, no. So what is it? Whether it is true or false? Yeah, true. That is true. Next is the third one. All trees have roots. This is a mango tree. Therefore, this mango tree has roots. So what is it? True or false? Yeah, true. Next, giraffes are tall. Trees are also tall. Therefore, giraffes are trees. So giraffes are not trees. No. Yeah. So what we can say? False. Next, fifth one. A whale is a huge animal. A hippo is also a huge animal. Therefore, whales are hippos. Whether whales are hippos? No. So that is a false. Next, sixth one. All birds can fly. An eagle is a bird. Therefore, an eagle can fly. True or false? Yeah, true. Okay. Next, turn to the page number 34. That is a work with your partner. Make simple sentences and let your partner give suggestions. That is in the classroom we are doing that, but I am only reading that. You may begin like this. You, I am going to Agra to visit my grandmother. The partner is saying, you must see the Taj Mahal. You may use these suggestions. I am hungry. Have a banana? Yeah. I am sleepy. Next is a question. I am sleepy. Wash your face. Like that you can converse it with your parents. Like this you can ask some short questions to your mommy or daddy, and they will answer it to you like that. Okay. The next is that is in the page number 34. Think and write. Think and write K. Read this riddle about a rabbit. That you can see the picture of the rabbit there, and in the box that is written the tall animal, 4 legs, long neck, brown patches, eat leaves. That is written about the giraffe there. In this here it is written K. Read this riddle about a rabbit. So about the rabbit it is written there. I am a small animal. I have long ears. I have a fluffy tail. I like to eat carrots. Who am I? I am a rabbit. Like that you can write the next. That is now make a riddle about this animal. You can use words from the box. So the box words are that is a giraffe, tall animal. It has 4 legs, long neck, brown patches, and it eat leaves. So it is only one is written for you in your textbook. That is I am a tall animal. Next, how can you write it? Yeah, I am a tall animal. I have a long neck. I have 4 legs. I have brown patches. I eat leaves. I am a giraffe. In that way you can write it. I will write it to you for you on the board. That is And that is in the last, make riddles about other animals, have a competition in the class. That is in the classroom we are doing that competition. Now we can't do like that. So I am writing that about the giraffe on the board. All of you. I am a tall animal. I have a long neck. I have brown patches. I eat leaves. I am a giraffe. Okay, my dear children, we can meet in the next class. Thank you.